Have you guys heard that Tesla's going to $7,000? Well, if you haven't, then you probably live under a rock. Big news coming out recently. Well, it's been flirted about for quite some time, but today, more news about the idea here, a possible idea that Tesla could go up to $7,000. Today, an analyst wrote a story that they believe that Tesla is severely undervalued at its current price of over $700. Let's take a look here. Why? Why is it that people believe that Tesla could be worth $7,000 or more in the future? I don't know why, but I'm ready to find out. ARK is a firm that came out saying that, dependent on their valuation model, says that they expect the stock of Tesla to be worth $7,000 by the year 2024. And that's the base call. In a bull case, Tesla would trade at or above $15,000. The bear case puts the stock at $1,500. So either way, you can't lose here unless you're short. Then you could definitely lose. But if you're going long, you can't lose at this point, right? $7,000, $15,000, $1,500. Either way, you're winning. But really, what's the deal here? Why does ARK feel so strongly about this idea that Tesla could be worth $7,000 one day? So the investment team considers three big variables when analyzing Tesla's business model: gross margins, capital efficiency, and adoption of autonomous driving. ARK is most bullish on Tesla's ability to cut costs and increase margins. An 80% probability that the company will achieve 40% margins consists with a dominant brand that its innovative cycle ahead of commoditized competitors. Okay. The analysts are least confident about autonomous technology adoption, saying that there's a 70% likelihood that Tesla will fail to create a fully autonomous car. As for capital efficiency, or how expensive it is to manufacture the cars, the team is split, saying it's just as likely that Tesla will be able to build factories for $11,000 per unit volume of capacity as for $16,000. For context, the gas-powered industry now is below $14,000 per car when they're building them. So the electric vehicle is going to drop below the price of gas-powered vehicles within the next 18 months to 2 years. And then they will continue to fall. So it's going to be a no-brainer that electric cars will be cheaper one day than gas-powered cars. That was an interview with Wood. I don't know who that is, but I guess one of the analysts. So over the next 5 years, ARK expects sales of electrical vehicles to total about 1/3 of all auto sales, with Tesla shares at about 18%, unless other manufacturers lag behind. They're not so worried about Tesla when it comes to the forecast. They're more concerned that other car manufacturers really haven't even gotten started in the game yet. So this analyst goes on to say that they compare Tesla to Amazon 2 decades ago, noting that the company that's now considered a category killer had its doubters as well. So I don't know if I would say that Tesla's Amazon gonna revolutionize the world in that sense, but hey, whatever. And that goes much in the way of the rest of the Wall Street thinkers. For starters, most analysts are skeptical. The average price target among most analysts is $536, and most researchers only model 1 year or so into the future. So that's just one analyst's view. Most short sellers are still saying that Tesla price is too high, that Tesla is overvalued, that it needs to come back down in value. What do you guys think? Do you think that Tesla is the next Amazon, in a sense that it could go from, where it's at now up to $2,000 or $3,000 in the future? I'm excited to hear more about your comments below. Are you a buyer or are you a seller of Tesla at this point? Do you believe that Tesla has big potential? Big potential. I don't know about you guys, but I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence here. I just don't know if Tesla can really put it all together and beat out the other major car manufacturers in that sense. I feel like overall the margins and things like that are just always going to be easier for the bigger car manufacturers to beat. And Tesla just has this problem with releasing models that they never actually get released and never actually sell. What's the deal? When's the truck coming out? Where's this Cybertruck? Where's this new SUV and all that other fun stuff they promised? And what about the Roadster? What about the Tesla Roadster? Is the price of Tesla overvalued at this point? I'm going to have to say that we are a little overvalued. Maybe I would expect some type of pullback here on Tesla.